Ever feel like there's more to a YouTube playlist than meets the eye? Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube playlists to reveal hidden gems you might be missing, all without needing any special coding knowledge. First, we'll explore the power of browser extensions. Head over to your browser's web store like the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ins. In the search bar, type in something like YouTube Playlist Unhider or YouTube Hidden Content Finder. You'll find several options. Look for extensions with good reviews and a clear description of their functionality. Once you've found one that seems promising, click to install it. It's usually a simple, one-click process. After installation, simply navigate to any YouTube playlist you suspect might have hidden videos. You should see a new icon or button added to your browser's toolbar, or sometimes directly on the YouTube page itself. Clicking this will trigger the extension to scan the playlist. And just like that, the extension should reveal any videos that were previously hidden or unlisted within that playlist. You can now click on them and enjoy the full content. But that's not all. Sometimes, videos become inaccessible simply because they were never officially part of a playlist, or are only available through specific links. For these, we can utilize a clever manual method. Search online for tools specifically designed to help discover unlisted or hidden YouTube content. Many of these are third-party websites that require you to input the playlist URL. Copy the URL of the playlist you're interested in and paste it into the designated field on the third-party tool. Then, simply click the Search or Discover button. These tools often scan the playlist's metadata and associated videos, revealing any content that might have been removed or is otherwise hidden. You can then click on the listed videos to be taken directly to them on YouTube. By mastering these methods, you'll never miss out on a single video within your favorite YouTube playlists. Happy watching!